One system, every layer now in one place. And if you have been watching this and thinking, I get it, I just need someone to tell me exactly what to do this Sunday so I actually can start. That is this episode. Not theory, step by step, Sunday through Saturday, exactly what to do and in what order. I'm Vanessa and this is Prep and Purpose. And today we run your first complete system week together. Sunday morning, 45 minutes. Start with the fridge. Pull everything forward, urgency to the front. Produce with the shortest window comes out of the drawer and onto the middle shelf where you will actually see it. 10 minutes. Done. Now the base. You are cooking the right amount of chicken for your household to carry every dinner this week, Monday through Saturday. Salt, pepper, oil, timer set, walk away. While it cooks, you run your pantry and freezer check. Rice is stocked, canned tomatoes confirmed, frozen broccoli and corn in the freezer. You will pull supports to the fridge as the week needs them. Check your emergency section. Your magic number of fully assembled meals labeled and ready in the freezer. Any excess base from today goes into a flat quart bag, labeled and dated into the freezer. 45 minutes. The week is funded before it starts. Now watch it run. Monday, you open the fridge. Chicken is right there on the middle shelf. Rice in the pantry. Broccoli pulled to the fridge. Bowl. 12 minutes. Tuesday, same chicken. Wrap with the produce that was moved to eye level on Sunday. 10 minutes. Wednesday, chicken into soup with canned tomatoes and garlic. 20 minutes. 3 different meals and the base is still going. Thursday, chicken over rice with a different sauce from the door. 12 minutes. Friday, tacos. 10 minutes. Saturday, last of the base over a salad or into whatever direction feels right. 8 minutes. 6 nights, 1 base. 6 directions. 0 nights without a protein. 0 settling. 0 ordering out because there was nothing ready. And those 6-gallon bags in the emergency section sat in the freezer untouched all week because this week, the system ran correctly and you did not need them. That is what a good week looks like. The emergency meals do not get used on a good week. They are there for when everything falls apart. Here's what I want you to do this Sunday. Visitability pass first. Base next. The right amount of supports for your household. Supports confirmed in the freezer, pulled to the fridge as you need them through the week. Emergency section counted. Any excess base into a label quart bag. 45 minutes. That is the whole investment. And if the amount is not perfectly calibrated this first week, that is fine. Every week gives you better information about your household. By week 4, you will know exactly how much to cook and the base will cover every night without waste or shortage. The system learns with you. And here is what I want you to remember when you sit down this Sunday. This was not built for the version of you that has everything together. It was built for the version of you who has nothing left and still needs to feed people. That is who the emergency section is waiting for when the hard week actually arrives. Set it up for her. She is counting on you. If you want the whole system in one place, the workbook, the tracker, the reset planner, and the base and support reference guide are all in the Prep and Purpose System Toolkit. Link in the description. Reduce decisions, install structure, and as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.